Why is rug steam cleaning by professionals a must? It is needless to say, you need to keep your rugs as clean as they can be. More so, in this pandemic recovery period, you need to do it at any cost. It helps you to stay healthy and safe and keep the COVID-19 at bay. You need the most prolific rug steam cleaning professionals in Melbourne to do all the steam cleaning of your rugs. What better name can you opt for when you have Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne? What our pros do? 1. The method involves just the use of hot water. 2. It is a hygienic method. 3. It does not affect the material of the rugs. 4. It maintains the structural integrity of the rugs. So you see, when you hire professional rug cleaning experts in Melbourne, they clean your rugs comprehensively inside out, and keep their surfaces intact. They also help you be safe and keep COVID-19 at bay. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Mail us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.